Hey everyone, it's Donnie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am a little bit worn out because yesterday, my day off, we went as a family down to the wildlife safari and I did a lot of walking. So my knees are swollen and I'm not able to do my recording in my craft room because I've got a heating pad and I've got it elevated. So you're going to get a little different view today of me and what I'm going to show you. It's an unboxing from an Amazon store on obviously Amazon called Cateared, and it's quite a bit different than normal. So I thought I was super excited to show you this and wanted to find out what you guys think of it and if it's something you would use because I'm kind of intrigued. So give me a minute and I will show you what I got. First of all, Tesslynn wants to show you what she picked out from the gift shop.
It's my snaky. It's super soft, and I got one more thing.
It's a plushie. She picked a snake this time. Super cute. And she got a grabber. Because her last one broke.
Yeah, my last two, the dinosaur and my lizard.
Mm-hmm. They break easy.
Yeah, and I
and
got
one more
some
thing.
rocks.
Yeah, she got pretty rocks. Okay.
Yeah, they're like a real rock. Real rock.
Okay, thank you very much, Tesslynn. Okay.
I got a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Okay, so like I said, I got this package. Jim didn't know what it was, so he opened it. But it came from Amazon. I can't double check the price, but I will put it up. I'll put it down in the description. Okay, so it comes with a little toolkit, little piece of wax. It's got a moss foot tray, which is awesome, and it has a basic drill pen with a squishy and a old-fashioned three-placer. All right, so it comes in this box, this nice reusable box. It's called Cateared Freestyle. And, oh wow. Let's take this label off so we can look at the colors here. So, it looks like we've got some AB colors right there. Yeah, those are AB drills. That mauve color. And then we've got yellow, black, gray, off-white, a peachy color, a pretty blue, green, brown, and then pink. And they actually do have their DMC numbers on the bags. So this is actually 554 AB. I'll go ahead and open it. So it's cool that they're actually in their own baggies. They're not just in here loose. Nice. These are nice thick bags. Yeah, I can't even get in there to fix my fingernail. It kind of looks silly, but I'm sorry. And then here's the AB color. Look at those. Look at those pretty ABs. That's the extra coating. That's the AB coating. Makes them extra sparkly. I can't tell. There we go. There. Those are super pretty. And as you can see, they're square. So the only other freestyle that I've seen is the diamond dots. And of course, those are round. So let's see. What is the freestyle? We've got some grids here. Now these look like, I mean, they look like they're double-sided stickers, but it's that really thick stuff, the covering. So yeah, they're double-sided, they're actually double-sided stickers. So you can, adhere them to something. So these are stickers, these two here. And then, I don't know what this is. Maybe these are just ideas. Yeah, these are, oh yeah, okay. So these are the different designs that they're all stickers apparently. Yeah, and these are the designs to show you, ideas of what to do with them. So here are all the stickers. And you've got some lips, and you've got the speech bubbles, a heart, and different shapes to make some emojis. So it looks like they're, yeah, emoji stickers. This would be super cool. The thing about the Diamond Dot Freestyles is it's big enough for actual full-size diamond paintings. These are basically freestyle stickers. But they give you plenty of drills, and they make it so that you can, they give you the little guide here so you can tell what each thing is. Like, this is the smile, the words for the word smile. And, oh yeah, it looks like it, well, I was going to say it looks like it's the same layout, but not quite. Because this is supposed to be love right here. And then we got the dual hearts, like sunglasses. And then we've got the mustache. And I'm not sure what that's supposed to say. Chill? No, it doesn't look like. Anyway, there's lips with words in the middle. I guess you could do it however you want. But that is pretty cool that, they give you this. I thought at first this was a sticker, but I think it's just it's just a glossy piece of paper. So you can use it as a guide. And there's a lot of stickers on here. Like I said, I'm not sure the price, but I will put it down below. Or I'll just put the link down below and you'll be able to click on it to see the price, because it depends on when you're watching this on what the price will be. Because prices always change on Amazon almost on a daily basis. So there we go. That is the freestyle stickers. And I like these because of the fact that you can make your own shapes. And you could just do an actual full-size sticker. And this is a pretty big sticker. So if you've got an imagination and you're able to design something, these would be great. I have to go by patterns because I'm really hard. It's really hard for me to figure things out by just making a design of something. So I like the outlines of the sticker page here. So yeah, that's what it is. This is the company Cateared. I guess that's how you say it. Do your design in your way, freestyle. So hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this, and let me know if you've actually used it before, because this is the first time I've seen it other than doing the ones from Diamond Dots. Oh, this one where it has the smile sticker, it's actually attached to this one above it. So that's one sticker, see? But it has, let's just show you the sticky part. There's the back. It comes off really easy, but I guess the top piece will come off easier once you have the back piece stuck onto something. But it's some really strong sticky, so it makes me think this is more like a poured glue type material, because there's like no bubbles in the, and I've seen this material before with this really thick covering. In fact, I did this sticker here that I got from one of my monthly subscription box, and I finished it, and it's square as well, so that's what makes me believe it's the same type of sticker paper. It does seem to be very similar. This is my washi tape I put around it, so let me just pull this back so I can compare it. Take this sticker off here, and that's why my thumbnail has missing nail polish there, because I use it all the time to pull back stickies. This is really good sticky. Okay, so I got the corner off at least, and I can compare it to this. So there's the back, and you can see it's pretty thick, but that's the sticker itself. And then you stick it onto something, and then you can, well, that's the only sticky left. I'm not even thinking. But the front has the, I have to remove the washi tape, which is actually on the adhesive itself. So, because this sticker goes all the way from edge to edge, and there we go. But the sticky on this was really strong, so that's what it reminds me. It does remind me of this, and I have found that this is pretty good quality adhesive type material. I don't know. I mean, I think it's made specifically for stickers, because I think one other company uses this type of covering, the clear covering on this it seems like it's double-sided adhesive. I don't know. I don't know if it's poured or double-sided, but it acts like it is poured glue. So I'm going to just guess that it's poured glue. So, and we know that poured glue is preferred over the double-sided stickers because of the fact that you don't get the bubbles in the adhesive that way. And that's what this is acting like. So enough of my rambling. Check it out. Let me know what you think. If you've ordered this before, let me know. Tell me what you thought of the final result. I am interested to find out. And if you have, if you could post pictures in my Facebook group, that'd be great, because I'd love to see the final results and what you came up with. So thank you guys so much for watching my video today. Have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you're doing. Take care, everyone. Bye.